Alright, so today we're going to talk about the spermatocord, and it is essentially a structure that contains all the structures and vessels that run to and from the testes. It is created as the testes descends from the abdominal wall through the inguinal canal and eventually ending in the scrotum. So we'll talk about the layers of the spermatocord from deep to superficial. So the deepest layer of the spermatocord is the internal spermatic fascia, and it is derived from the transverse fascia. Secondly, we have the cremaster muscle and artery, which is derived from the internal abdominal oblique aponeurosis and muscle. Lastly, we have the external spermatic fascia, which is derived from the external abdominal oblique aponeurosis. The spermatocord will also contain the ductus deferens and artery, pimpiform venous plexus, testicular artery, the cremaster artery, in addition to the other structures we talked about, lymphatic vessels, tunica vaginalis connecting the testes to the scrotum, sympathetic nerve fibers, and the genital branch of the genital femoral nerve. Now we'll go ahead and talk about the journey of the sperm from conception to its into the outside world. So sperm is created in the seminiferous tubercles, and it will be stored in the epididymis via the rete testes, which is also in the testes. Once it is in the epididymis, it'll stay there until needed for ejaculation. Once ready for ejaculation, sperm will travel through the ductus deferens, through the inguinal canal, outside, and then ending the fundus of the bladder, between the bladder and the rectum. It will combine with the seminal vesicle duct, and they will create the ejaculatory duct, which will enter the prostate gland, and it will combine with the prostatic urethra. It will then enter the membranous urethra, where contributions from the bulbourethral glands will add to the sperm, and then they will continue through the spongy urethra out into the outside world. All right, that's all. Bye.